I am Nandita Debroy from Silchar. I was suffering of uterus fibroids. I had some problem, first urine infection. Then when I went to the doctor, they gave me medicine in my state only. Then after that, do some tests to do lower abdomen scan also. So the things came out that I have a uterus bulky and I have fibroids, and it was very much large. So suddenly my brother-in-law, Ramanuj Gupta, his missus, during 2019, my sister-in-law had this same problem. So she came here and had a treat from Dr. Sridhar ma'am. So he suggested me to move immediately. So I came here on 26th June here, and 27th was my appointment with ma'am Sridhar. After meeting her, she told me to do these things, every scan, and after that next day she called me for discussion. Then she told it should be operated. If you are ready, then we will do. Then she gave me the date of 1st July. I came here and it was a great experience for me. My surgery name was the Total Laparoscopic Hysterectomy, and it was a great experience for me because everything she explained me so nicely, so beautifully. Each and every step, what will be done with me, my uterus will be removed, and that everything, my ovary, everything she told me, as I am now 48 plus. So everything she told me to do these things, and I will be most probably.
My name is Sushanta Debroy, and my wife, she's Nandita Debroy. Actually, we are staying in Assam. His name is Silchar. We come from far away in here. When my wife, she has been suffering this problem, the fibroid and this problem, last from, I think it is 3 months.
Yes.
Might be 3 months. Then we decided, yes, as there is no facilities in our area, this type of facilities, medical facilities, then I have decided, yes, we have to come here. Service of hospital, every staff, every doctors, every nurse, all are good. Just I can say, just fantastic.
Before the surgery, she explained me everything, each and every part, how it would be operated, that laparoscopy, because in our state, every told that it is too much big and it can't be operated by laparoscopy, but everything has been done so nicely.
Especially in our area, people, I will tell them, please you come Bangalore, Bannerghatta Fortis Hospital. Especially if you want to get a special treatment, better treatment, nice treatment, you'll get here. That's because we are satisfied. Both myself and my wife, we are satisfied.